The 2007 GS350. The GS350 boasts a 3.5-liter V6 with a 303 horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, climate control, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, premium sound system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.